If you are running Facebook lead ads, getting the lead is only the beginning. Because the moment someone submits your lead form, that lead needs to be stored, managed, and followed up as quickly as possible. But imagine doing all three automatically. A new lead comes through your Facebook ad, their details are automatically added to your CRM, and at the same time, that person receives a personalized follow up directly on WhatsApp. No manual checking every new Facebook leads, no copying their information into your CRM, and no manually sending the first WhatsApp follow-up. One Facebook lead form submission and the complete process starts automatically. So whether you are generating a leads for real estate, insurance, education, consulting, or any other business, this automation can help you manage your new leads much faster. And as you can already see on your screen, this complete automation is working live in the background. The moment I submitted this Facebook lead form, my details were automatically captured and a new contact was created inside Zoho CRM. And look at my WhatsApp, I also received the follow-up message instant. And this is not a generic message. The message is personalized according to the information that I have submitted through the Facebook lead form. And the tool that is making this complete automation possible is Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation platform that helps you to connect multiple applications and automate repetitive business tasks without writing a single line of code. Here I have connected Facebook with Zoho CRM and Pabbly Shortflow using Pabbly Connect. So instead of using three different applications manually, Pabbly Connect makes them work together automatically. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this complete Facebook lead ads automation from scratch step by step. And the best part is you can create this exact workflow along with me using the Pabbly Connect free trial. And after trying Pabbly Connect, if you find it useful and decide to purchase its subscription plan, then don't pay the regular price. Simply use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So without wasting any more time, let's start the creation of this workflow. Alright, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/connect and create a free account. Once you create it, you will receive 100 free tasks every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Connect, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can create and manage all of your automation workflows. For creating a new workflow, you need to click on this plus create workflow button. So there are three ways to create a workflow inside Pabbly Connect. The one is create from scratch, second one is create using AI, and the third one is create using Quick Builder. All of these are best, but in this tutorial I'm going to build a workflow step by step by myself. So I am selecting this option. After that, it will ask me to enter the name of the workflow that I'll enter as Facebook lead ads to CRM automation. After that, the folder I'm selecting is Pabbly Connect and clicking on this create button, and see our workflow is created successfully. Now this right here is the most important step of creating any automation, name as trigger. Trigger says when this happen. This is the first application you need to select for creating your workflow. So in this tutorial, my objective is that whenever I received a new form submission through my Facebook lead ads, then automatically this automation gets trigger. So for that, I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook lead ads. After that, the app event I'm selecting as new lead instant and clicking on this connect button. If you have an existing connection, then you will go with this option. I'm going to add a new connection, so I'm selecting this one from here and clicking on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here my Facebook account is already logged in inside my system, so I'm directly clicking on this continue button, and this is how easily you can connect your Facebook account with Pabbly Connect. Moving forward, here you need to select the page name that I am selecting as the Magic Makers, where you are running an ad right now. After selecting the page, the lead generation form I am selecting as free insurance consultation form. After that, the response format with three options such as simple, advanced and raw. If you want to receive a response in simple format, then you will select this option. option. If you want to receive a response in advanced format, just like a foreign key value, structure, data, or in array, then you will select this option. And when you select the response format as raw, then you will receive the exact response that you will receive from the webhook. Here I am selecting the response format as simple and clicking on the save and send test request button. See, I have received the positive response and it started waiting for the webhook response as well. So for getting this webhook response, you need to open a new tab and go for Meta for Developers account. After that, go inside this first link and you will successfully come on the official page of Meta. Next, click on this resources option. After that, click on this developers tools option. After that, just scroll down and you will see an option by the name of lead ads RTU debug tool. Just go inside it. Next, select the page from here that I'm selecting as the magic maker. See, this is the same page that I have selected here too. Moving forward, the product I'm selecting as lead retrieval and the form as free insurance consultation form. I want you to know that I am running that in a default mode. That's why I have clicked on this preview form button. And now for getting this webhook response, I'm going to make a test submission. So for that, I'm selecting the insurance type as car insurance, coverage amount is up to 5 lakhs and clicking on this continue button. See, this time I have entered the full name as Riya Sahu, one test email address, phone number, city name as Bhopal and the marital status as single. After that, I'll click on this continue button and this submit button. See, the form has been submitted successfully. Now we will check our workflow to see whether we have received a new response or not. Here you just have to wait for a few seconds. And you will see I have received the response with all the test details that I have entered while filling the form. This confirms that the connection between Facebook lead ads and the Pabbly Connect is working perfectly and the setup of our trigger application is completed. Moving forward, I'm going to select my action application as text formatter. Here I'm using text formatter to splitting the customer's full name into first name and last name. That's why I'm selecting the app event as split text and clicking on this connect button. Now in this field, I'm going to the mapping of the customer's full name. To do the mapping, you need to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So here I have the full name, that is Riya Sahu. Next, you need to enter the separator that I'll enter as space with 2 curly brackets at the beginning and the ending as it is mentioned below in the note. After that, the segment index I'm selecting as all. Next, I'll click on the save and send test request button and you will see I have successfully got the splitted user's first name and last name, that is Riya and Sahu. So this is how text formatter works. Moving forward to the next application, that is Zoho CRM. See, here I am using Zoho CRM, but you can use any other CRM according to your own use case. After selecting the application, the app event I'm selecting as create contact and clicking on this connect button. I'm going to add a new connection, so I'm selecting this option and clicking on this connect with Zoho CRM. After that, it will ask me to enter the domain. So here my domain is zoho.in. So I'm copying it from here and pasting it in this field. After that, I'll click on the save button. Next, the Pabbly Connect will ask me for my permission. So I'm permitting it by clicking on this accept button. And this is how easily you can connect your Zoho CRM account with Pabbly Connect. Moving forward, in this first name field, I'm going to the mapping of the response that I have received from the text format, and that is the splitted customer's name. Here I have maps. So this is why I have used the text formatter. So now what is mapping? So mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic. As different customers have different data, so for capturing each customer's data dynamically, mapping is used. With the help of this mapping, automatically every time on the new form submission, this data will change. And here I have mapped only some fields, but you can map more. My objective is only to teach you how you can create an automation by using Pabbly Connect, and the steps are almost similar. You need to understand the logic only. After doing the mapping, I'll click on the save and send test request button. And you will see I have received the positive response. Now let's check our Zoho CRM account to see whether a new contact is created or not. See, automatically a new contact is created inside my Zoho CRM account by the name of Riya Sahu. It also includes the email address and the contact number as well. Exactly same that I have mapped here. So this is how automation works, and I want you to know that I have clicked on the save and send test request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually. You just have to click on the save button and the automation will occur automatically. As a new contact is successfully created inside our Zoho CRM, this means that this step is also working perfectly. Moving forward, now comes to the most interesting part of this automation, that is sending a follow-up. So for that, I'm going to select my next action application as Pabbly Chatflow. After the app event, I'm selecting a send text message. See here, I'm using Pabbly Chatflow for sending a message to the customers on WhatsApp. It is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation platform that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. For each subscription plan also, you can use my coupon code. Here I have used Pabbly Chatflow, but you can also use WhatsApp Cloud API as well if you want to. After that, I'll click on this connect button. If you have an existing connection, then you will go with this option. I'm going to add a new connection, so I'm selecting this one from here. After that, it will ask me to enter the token. So for getting this token, you need to go towards your Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now click on the settings option and go inside this API and webhooks option, and here you can get your API token. So copy it from here and paste it in this field. After pasting the API token, you need to click on this save button and see the connection is saved successfully. Moving forward, in this recipient WhatsApp mobile number field, I'm going to do the mapping of the mobile number that I have received from this Facebook lead as response. Here it is mapped. After that, I'll enter the message in this field that I want to send to the customer whenever they fill my lead form. Here I have added. Now I want to make this message personalized for each of my customers. So for that, I'm again doing the mapping. After this, hi, that is the customer's full name as Riya Sahu, insurance type as car insurance, budget, and the city as well. Here I have mapped. Next, these are not required field, but before clicking on the save and send test request button, I want you to know that the contact number I have mapped in this field is a dummy number, and sending a message to dummy contact number is not possible. So for that, I'm removing this mapping from here and going to enter my number manually in this field, just only for the testing purpose. But you have to make sure that in this field you need to map the real contact number that you were received from your previous application. It is very important. With the help of this only, the customer will receive the message on their WhatsApp. After entering my number manually, I'll click on the save and send test request button, and you will see I have received the positive response, that is status as success and message is sent. Now I'm going to show you my WhatsApp account. See, immediately I received a new message on my WhatsApp, and look at this message. It includes my name as Riya Sahu, insurance type as car insurance, my budget, and my city name as well. Exactly same that I have entered and mapped in this field. And I want you to know that I have entered this message content completely based on my choice. You can change it. As we have successfully received some message on our WhatsApp, this means that this step is also working perfectly and our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this amazing workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. So this is the easiest way to connect your Facebook lead ads to CRM and the WhatsApp. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automation for your own business too. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.